This factory produces hundreds of thousands of biscuits every single hour.
Biscuits are one of the most widely consumed snacks in the world.
Despite its apparent simplicity, the production is extremely precise. Every shape, texture, and flavor is carefully engineered.
If this scale already surprised you, tap like so more people can see this.
And subscribe. We go inside factories like this every week.
Let's see how biscuits are made at massive scale.
The process begins with flour.
Sugar is added for sweetness and texture.
Vegetable oil or butter provides richness.
Additional ingredients vary by recipe.
All ingredients are measured automatically. Accuracy is crucial for consistency.
The ingredients are mixed into dough.
The mixing creates the final texture of the biscuit.
Once mixed, the dough immediately moves forward. The dough is rolled into thin sheets.
Thickness is strictly controlled.
Quick question. Which part shocked you more? The speed, the machines, or the packaging? Tell me in the comments.
The dough then enters the forming machine. The cutter forms thousands of biscuits per minute. The excess dough is recycled automatically. Only perfectly shaped pieces move forward. Different molds produce different biscuit designs.
Decorative patterns are pressed into the dough.
This affects both appearance and texture.
The biscuits are now ready to be baked.
Timing is crucial at this stage.
Next, the heat completely transforms the dough.
Biscuits are baked in massive tunnel ovens.
The temperature is precisely controlled. Heat removes moisture from the dough.
The biscuits expand slightly as they bake.
The color forms when the sugar caramelizes.
This step determines the flavor and crispiness. Baking times vary depending on the biscuit type.
Some biscuits only bake for a few minutes. Others require longer exposure times. Uniform heat ensures consistent results.
After baking, the biscuits emerge from the oven.
The biscuits are now very hot.
After baking, the biscuits must cool down.
Cooling prevents breakage during handling.
Air circulates evenly around each biscuit. This stabilizes texture and structure.
If you enjoy seeing how the world really produces food at this scale, subscribe. Most people never get to see this.
Cooling time depends on biscuit thickness.
Excessive heat can affect packaging later. Automated systems ensure consistency. After cooling, the biscuits move to the next stage.
Some biscuits are filled or coated. The cream is prepared separately. Fillings are applied with high precision. Another biscuit seals the sandwich.
Some biscuits receive chocolate coatings.
Excess coating is carefully removed.
Coated biscuits are cooled again.
Now they're ready to be packaged.
Packaging begins immediately after processing. Biscuits are automatically grouped. Packaging materials are fed continuously. Each pack is sealed tightly. Seals protect freshness and crunch. Labels are applied automatically.
Date codes ensure traceability.
Packages are inspected for defects. Defective packs are removed instantly. Approved products continue forward. Packs are grouped into cartons. Products are prepared for shipping. Thousands of cartons leave the factory daily. Every step is designed for speed and precision. All controlled by advanced automation. Millions of biscuits are produced every day. And delivered around the world. It all starts with simple ingredients. Transformed by industrial precision. This is how biscuits are made in modern factories.